Today we are going to meet a new number. Do you know which number it is? Yes, it's number 17. Look here. 1, 7, 17. Now see the objects. These are stars. Let's count with me how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 stars. Let's do an activity. Tap the number 17. Let's start. Find where is number 17. Yes. Yes, this is number 17. Now find again. Let's start. Join the dots and make number 1. Join the dots. Join the dots. Number 1. Now join the dots and make number 7. Draw a sleeping line and join the dots. Now again join the dots and draw a slanting line. Number 7. 1, 7, 17. Now right here make number 1. Now write number 7. Draw a sleeping line. Now draw a slanting line. 1, 7, 17. Make number 1. Now draw a sleeping line. Now draw a slanting line. 1, 7, 17. Make number 1. Now draw a sleeping line on the top and slanting line. 1, 7, 17. Make number 1. Draw sleeping line on the top. Now slanting line. 1, 7, 17.